Welcome to Universal Read. A, B, C, D, write. A. Trace the uppercase letter A. Trace the lowercase letter A. A for apple. A for ant. A. Keep learning, keep smiling. B. Trace the uppercase letter B. Trace the lowercase letter B. B for ball. B for bat. B. Keep learning, keep smiling. C. Trace the uppercase letter C. Trace the lowercase letter C. C for cat. C for cow. C. Let's continue with D and E letters. D. Trace the uppercase letter D. Trace the lowercase letter D. D for dog. D for doll. D. E. Trace the uppercase letter E. Trace the lowercase letter E. E for elephant. E for eye. E. Keep learning, keep smiling. F. Trace the uppercase letter F. Trace the lowercase letter F. F for fish. F for frog. F. Keep learning, keep smiling. G. Trace the uppercase letter G. Trace the lowercase letter G. G for grapes. G for goat. G. Let's continue with H and I letters.
H. Trace the uppercase letter H.
Trace the lowercase letter H. H for hen. H for house. H. I. Trace the uppercase letter I. Trace the lowercase letter I. I for ice cream. I for ink pot. I. Keep learning, keep smiling. J. Trace the uppercase letter J. Trace the lowercase letter J. J for jug. J for jungle. J. Keep learning, keep smiling. K. Trace the uppercase letter K. Trace the lowercase letter K. K for kite. learning! K, K, K. Let's continue with L and M letters. L. Trace the uppercase letter L. Trace the lowercase letter L. L for lion. L for ladybug. L, L, L. M. Trace the uppercase letter M. Trace the lowercase letter M. M for mango. M for monkey. M, M, M. Keep learning, keep smiling. N. Trace the uppercase letter N. Trace the lowercase letter N. N for nest. N for nose. N. Keep learning, keep smiling. O. Trace the uppercase letter O. Trace the lowercase letter O. O for owl. O for orange. O. Let's continue with P and Q letters. P. Trace the uppercase letter P. Trace the lowercase letter P. P for parrot. P for pen. P. Q. Trace the uppercase letter Q. Trace the lowercase letter Q. Q for queen. Q for quiet. Q. Keep learning, keep smiling. R. Trace the uppercase letter R. Trace the lowercase letter R. R for rabbit. R for rat. R. Keep learning, keep smiling. S. Trace the uppercase letter S. Trace the lowercase letter S. S for sun. S for ship. S. Let's continue with T and U letters. T. Trace the uppercase letter T. Trace the lowercase letter T. T for tiger. T for television. T. U. Trace the uppercase letter U. Trace the lowercase letter U. U for umbrella. U for uncle. U. Keep learning, keep smiling. V. Trace the uppercase letter V. Trace the lowercase letter V. V for van. vulture. V, V, V. Keep learning, keep smiling. W. Trace the uppercase letter W. Trace the lowercase letter W. W for watch. W for water. W, W, W. Let's continue with X and Y letters. X. Trace the uppercase letter X. Trace the lowercase letter X. X for Xmas tree. X for xylophone. X, X, X. Y. Trace the uppercase letter Y. Trace the lowercase letter Y. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Y, Y, Y. Keep learning, keep smiling. Z. Trace the uppercase letter Z. Trace the lowercase letter Z. Z for zebra. Z for zip. Z, Z, Z. Keep learning, keep smiling. Subscribe, Universal Reads, and thanks for watching!